I can't find the sign-up sheet for the study group. Has anyone turned in the lab report yet? Wouldn't it be faster to take the express bus?
What's the best way to reach Professor Han? The library doesn't have the book I need. Are you coming to the review session before the final?
I heard the parking lot near the dorms is being repaved.
Would you be able to switch lab partners with me?